My name is David Hawley. I'm the owner of Knife Merchant. Our kind of line of demarcation is anything that we sell has to be of suitable quality to go into a professional restaurant and go to work. If you'd like, I'd be happy to come in and show you how we built this place out. You're really a superstar now. A lot of the chef knives were built into a display case here. These were done by a local carpenter, Glenn Wisher, out here in Crest, California. This is what I'm looking for. I need the knives to be at this kind of an angle with a magnetic backdrop so that we can display the more commonly sought knives. I don't carry every brand that a manufacturer will make. I carry the brands that I believe represent the best quality and value. This is a brand called Shen. Master Grade is a manufacturer. And this is a new line that is coming out of Taiwan. It has a huge variety of knives that are available in this series. Japanese use something we call a sole knife. They call it sole knife because it's used for flatfish. Your sole, halibut, flounders, turbot, big round fish, you cut right down the center line, and then you need to flex a knife and take the fillets off in this direction. So this is a very useful knife as well. This is a fillet knife, and they start off as a big, thick boning knife. Then over a course of time, when they get to the point of toothpicks and they're ready to be thrown away, it's actually the most functional for a lot of the cooks. The difference here is this one is made specifically for this shape. Paring knives, this is longer and thinner than most paring knives. So if you're trying to do fluted mushrooms, you're sectioning oranges and things like that for presentation, these long, thin paring knives are excellent. People may recognize this shape as being a traditional Japanese fish fillet knife as a deba. This one, however, is very thin. This one gives you the advantage of cutting through fish actually in both directions. It's stout, it has the weight that you're looking for in a deba, mostly because of the handle. Then we get into a nakiri. It's just a straight vegetable knife, also used in sushi preparation for unrolling a cucumber. This one right here, carver / slicer, this one can be used as a meat carver. The other point of the flex is when you are filleting fish, you need to skin it many times. And to be able to put good pressure down, hold the skin down, put good pressure, and slide the meat off of the fillet, that flexion comes in very handy. This here is an Shen 8-inch chef knife. This is going to be the workhorse that we get 80% of your work with. I'm just trying to demonstrate the functionality of this knife. Yeah. You know, I don't care what you cut with this thing. As I said, I have one that we've been using for 5 weeks, and it is nowhere near ready to be sharpened yet. And I was just speaking with Jackie Shen, who is the owner of Master Grade and maker of these knives. He has additives in this that make this not a pure VG10. He actually has a proprietary blend. On your blend, did you kick in some tungsten?
No, no secret.
And I can't understand exactly what the type of material is. So with the proprietary blend of the steel, it has excellent edge retention, and we've had no problems with chipping on this knife. You may know Master Grade from some of their sharpening products. They have been around a long time with electric sharpeners. Pop one open and show you the inside. What I have in here right now is these diamond wheels. Now, these wheels are not inexpensive at all. They cost quite a bit of money, but it was worth it to us so that we could take care of our customers. And these ones with the foam-backed sandpaper wheels will follow that bevel very smoothly and precisely for you. They also do a full range of metal honing rods and ceramic honing rods as well. First of all, ceramics are not all equivalent. They are measured in moles of hardness. This one right here is 9 moles of hardness, which is the most that you're going to get out of a ceramic honing rod, and it is going to last you for a significant amount of time. They also have a little rubberized tip down here, so you have everything possible to try and give you a chance of having this bounce a couple of times and not break. Now, when we're trying to hone this thing, we want to make sure you get the entire length of the blade going from the heel all the way down to the tip. And really, all you're going to need on this thing is about 2 strokes on either side. And they have other varieties of knives that I have not demonstrated. But the Shen is a knife that I'd highly recommend. and I think you'll be very happy with this for many years to come. This is Jackie Shen, the inventor and the brains behind all the materials that we have in master grade knives and sharpening products. This is Judy. She's the beauty behind all of the sales and the promotional and the logistics of getting these things into the hands of the consumers.